Amphenol SV Microwave solderless coaxial PCB connectors are compression mount connectors that can be attached faster and easier than traditional solder down connectors. The connectors feature a rugged and durable stainless steel body and can be removed and reinstalled, making them a cost-effective solution for RF test and measurement boards and high-speed digital component testing. Amphenol SV Microwave solderless coaxial PCB connectors include SMA, 2.92mm, 2.4mm, 1.85mm, SMP, and SMPM series, covering applications up to 67 GHz. They're offered with stripline, microstrip, coplanar waveguide, and edge launch options to provide designers flexibility in where and how the connection is made, and the connectors provide a 50 ohm match PCB launch to minimize reflections.